Okay, so today got an interesting unboxing for you. Something for my car. And let's see what we got here. I don't have my knife with me today. So there we go. Pull there we go. And I'll do it this way so you can see what I've got. I picked up the all-weather mats, the Prius all-weather mats from the Toyota dealership. These are brand new. These are for my 2012 Prius. I like the little leaf in there. And this is the driver's side one, passenger side, and then this goes in the back seat. So let's get them installed and go from there. All right, so I hope this camera angle is working for you. This is for the passenger side. I really like the way these look. Oh, a little bit of breakfast there. Water bottle on the floor. The car's a little dirty today. Take this out. That goes in there. Oh, look at that. Perfect fit. That looks great. I love the way that looks. All right, so we'll go around to the driver's side now. We can pull off this warning. This is saying to make sure you... Can I pull off the warning? I guess not. So these snap in here so they don't slide around. You just got to twist this little knob there. Just twist that. And then you can pull these up. A little dirty under there. We'll have to take care of that. Okay, and then this will just go in there. I like that this mat goes up over the footrest too. A lot of these don't. And so now we can slap that in there, tighten that down, give it a twist, and that's a nice look. Okay, and so now we'll get the one for the back seat. Pull this out of there. See, this always gets all squinched up and everything. Not a fan. So we can now put our rubber mats in there. This rear one, because it's one piece, can be a little difficult to get in here. But once you get it in the right spot, look at that. Beautiful. Looks great and is going to do good to keep snow and dirt and mud out of the car. So there we go. We got the nice new all-weather floor mats installed here in the back of my 2012 Prius V. It's a good look, I think. I like the way it looks.